You know what's crazy? The reason nobody takes you seriously isn't because you're not good enough. It's because you're making one huge mistake that screams, "Please ignore me." And the worst part is, you don't even know you're doing it. But once you fix it, just one time, people will look at you like a completely different person. Some will want to be your friend. Others will respect you more. And yeah, some might even get mad at you for changing. That's how you'll know it's working. First, stop being so easy to figure out. Our brains love putting people into boxes: the safe box, the boring box, the pushover box. If you've been the same person for years, always helping, never saying no, you're in the invisible one. You need to do something that makes people go, "Wait, what?" If you're always quiet, speak up in a meeting. If you always help, tell someone, "I can't do that today." If you never disagree, say, "Actually, I see it differently." Watch their faces. Their brains will reboot. You just became interesting instead of invisible. Second, act like your time matters. People don't respect your time because you act like you have nothing better to do. You answer texts instantly. You drop everything when someone calls. Stop. Try this. When someone calls your name, don't jump. Finish your thought, then look over. When you walk into a room, don't scan for approval. Walk like you own the place. When a text comes in, wait a few minutes to answer. You're not being rude. You're showing people that your time has value. And when you value it, they will too. Third, stop saying sorry for everything. This one is huge. You say sorry when you walk past someone, sorry when you ask a question, sorry for just existing. You are teaching people to treat you like you're in the way. Every time you apologize for no reason, you're saying, "I don't belong here." So flip the script. Instead of "Sorry I'm late," say "Thanks for waiting." Instead of "Sorry to bother you," say "Hey, got a minute?" Instead of "Sorry, but I think," just say "I think." Try it once. People listen differently when you stop acting like you're bothering them by being alive. Fourth, learn the power of shutting up. You know what makes people nervous? Silence. Most people hate it, so they say anything to fill the quiet. They ramble, they over-explain, they sound desperate. Don't be that person. Next time someone asks you a question, count to 2 in your head before you answer. Don't rush. Let them wait for your words. Here's why it works. Talking fast sounds like you need their approval. Taking your time sounds like you're the one giving it. Big difference. And finally, the big one. Be ready to leave. The person who needs something the least is always treated the best. Think about it. Who gets more respect? Someone begging to keep their job, or someone who knows they're good enough to work anywhere? So next time someone treats you badly, don't argue. Don't try to convince them to be nicer. Just walk away. Leave the conversation. Leave the room. This freaks people out because they assumed you'd just stick around for bad treatment. The second you show them you won't stick around for bad treatment, everything changes. The bottom line is, you can't wait for people to respect you. You have to make them respect you by how you act. Stop being predictable. Value your time. Stop apologizing for breathing. And be ready to walk away from anyone who doesn't treat you right. So, go try it. And when people start treating you differently, don't be surprised. You just showed them who you really are. Now, if this helped you out, like this video and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. Now, go out there and stop letting people walk all over you.